rose gold jewelry. Literally impossible to find anywhere in the world, rose gold metal has to be made, specifically fabricated to fit the project that it's used in. It's an alchemical transformation of the elements to create something more beautiful than the sum of its parts. After years of white metals being in the spotlight, rose gold has made a resurgence and has become only more popular as time goes on. The metal for this pendant was forged in the heat of our furnaces, as our skilled craftsmen combined the elements necessary to produce the brilliant rose gold. But of course, that's only the first step, not the final product. The piece is ready for fabrication and evolution to its final form. In this case, a plethora of diamonds are added so that the pendant is eye-catching in all light. Each diamond requires its own unique slot that must be measured precisely to the millimeter, which is why this part of the process requires a steady hand, the sharpest eye, and incredible patience to ensure perfection. Once the diamonds are set, we come to the part that everyone looks forward to the most, setting our magnificent center stone. For this pendant, it's a beautiful morganite that is sure to stand out. Once we're satisfied and confident that the pendant is perfect, it's ready to be displayed as the newest member of our proud collection of amazing designer jewelry.